The main thing to understand about this is that the X2O machine has a number of significant features. So, for example, you can put regular tap water into it, and we have two separate stages of filtration. So we're going to take out the forever chemicals, heavy metals, pesticides, chlorine, and so forth. And then we're going to go through a separate carbon block. We're going to infuse hydrogen into the water, and we're also going to make the water slightly alkaline. But the main feature is that we are infusing light into the water. So that's the first thing that you should think about. That's the main benefit, and the other features of the machine are exactly that. They're features. So what are some of the benefits that people can expect from X2O? First thing that you'll notice when you dispense the machine, and the reason this has taken us years to develop this machine, is that this started as a piece of laboratory equipment that we built in my lab that was about 3 feet wide and 9 feet long. And I had the vision with our engineering team of this has to be as simple as someone putting a glass in the machine, pressing a button, and out comes light infused water, right? So it's a little bit like when Steve Jobs went to his team and said, I want all my music in this box, figure it out, right?
Tiny little thing, yeah.
A little bit different because Steve Jobs didn't actually invent, the iPhone, but that's a different story.
Right.
In this particular case, we worked on this as a team for 2 years on how to take that laboratory prototype and put it into this simple machine that we have today. Smaller, something that fits on a desktop in a kitchen, and you press a button and you get light infused water. So quite a journey. First thing that you'll notice is that the taste is really smooth. This is an indicator of how the water molecules line up into an organized structure that allows the water to provide superior hydration. We would refer to this as a reduced surface tension. Many of you will know what that is. We reduce the surface tension, it gets into the cell, hydrates the cell. And actually, what Janine and I were talking about was that many people have a problem drinking water, and a glass of X2O goes down very, very easily because it's so smooth. Because we're getting more water into the cell, we can get a boost in energy and metabolism. So for about 3 to 5 hours after drinking a glass of X2O, you're going to notice you have more energy. And many people have to run to the bathroom after the glass because you're detoxing. X2O functions as an antioxidant. So that's another benefit, and other benefits as well, like sports performance. And of course, this has been designed to be a system. So in other words, you're going to add Celergize Morning over to X2O, and that's going to help. Then X2O acts as a delivery system. So more of those nutrients get into the cell. And then, of course, you combine it with the benefits of our X39 patch. So this all ties together. The patches work better when people are hydrated. No surprise there. So it all comes full circle. So we can think of this as 3 technologies in one, or more, if you will, but light infusion is at the top. We filter this water through 2 different stages, and we enrich the water with hydrogen, and we give the water a slightly alkaline state.